Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, we will learn how to use color animation in MIT App Inventor app. So we are using here one extension. Using this extension, we can use color animation in our components like in layouts, in buttons. There are a lot of components we can use color animation. So let's see how we can use it. So first, let's create one project. Let's start new project, click on it and just type your project name, animation component. So that's our first screen. Now I'm going to drag and drop one button here, okay, and make this with this fill parent, and I'm using here one layouts. So on button click, we will use here color animation in this layout. Okay, so make it fill parent and make this hide as fill parent. Now this one is default color and that's the button here. Okay, now for that we have to download one extension. So go to this website Pura Vida extension, and I will give you the link of this extension in the description, and you will find this extension here, animation color background extension. Now we need to download this extension file, AIX file. So let's download this file here, click on it. Now go to the MIT App Inventor. In the left side you will find extension option. Click on import extension and drag and drop this extension here and click on import. Now just drag and drop this animation color. This one is non-visible component. Now go to the block section, click on this button. When button one dot click, then click on this animation color and you will find here horizontal option, and you can see horizontal A. Just drag and drop this here, and you can see there's four fields, four inputs, one input. So click on this horizontal arrangement and you'll find here horizontal arrangement 1. Just drag and drop this here, and color, it start and color at and duration. Now we will start the color from, click on text and you'll find this one. Let's just click on the new tab and just type here color code for orange. Okay, and you'll find here this one color. Okay, you can use any color, right? So copy this color and paste this color value here, right? And copy this and just add it. So we will end this color in this orange, but we will start this color from 0. Okay, it means this will be start from like a black 5 6, right? And duration, so click on this math sphere, this one, and we will use duration is at least 5 seconds. It means 5000. Okay, 1000, 1000 means 1 second. So let's see, run this app. I'm using an emulator, and you can see here is a layout and that's the button. Just click on it and see. Here you can see animation. The color starts from the black and end it in the orange, right? Animation here. Now let me just use one more thing. I'm going to change the background color and doing animation in the button. Okay, so click on animation color and you'll find button option here. We will call this also, and click on this button, and drag and drop this here, and we will start this color from, we will change it. Okay, and the duration will be 5 seconds, and we will end this color in dark orange. Okay, let's see how it's work. Let's click on this button. Here you can see both color are changing. Here animation for both, and in fact this one is dark and this one is like light. So let me just change this value from here, and we will start from orange and it to the black. Okay, click on it. Here you can see, right, this one is and in black and this one is orange. You can increase the duration. So let me just increase this duration to 50,000. It means for 50 seconds. So this will look like take a lot of time to change this color, because we are changing color from between to a black to orange. You can see it will take 50 seconds. It means almost 1 minute to make a orange color. Okay, but this one is changing right color. So you can use this method in your app. Okay, so this will amazing. You can use lot of animation, color animation in your app. You can make your own app attractive. Okay, so that's very easy way to create any color animation in your app. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have still some doubt, you can ask on comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video. Bye bye.